Alright, on today's episode I will try to paint Thomas in a pink color, like the undercoat pink color. So we gotta paint black on the carriage and white on the running board, and let's begin. Now I will use my trusty fork. Easy to remove. Sometimes it's not really easy, but you gotta keep trying. Gotta paint the wheels pink, so I gotta disassemble the entire axle set. The good thing is that this rivet is broken and it's coming off. The part is coming off really easily, so I don't have to drill it. Good. Otherwise, if you don't want to remove the battery terminal or contact, you might protect it with a piece of masking tape. You just cover it and then paint the whole thing. Let's continue. To remove these wheels from the axle, you gotta pull them really hard or get a tool and pull them. The most important thing on restoring or fixing is that you put in a bag of Ziploc the parts you don't need, so you don't lose them. Like this. Forgot that one. Okay, we are ready to paint. Let's go. It's raining outside. I can't show you the process, but I will show you the results. I think it's looking good. It's looking good. Definitely pink. Let's see the final product, how we'll start to assemble the model engine. Oh, I almost forgot. I gotta paint the lower undercarriage black. So I'm still not ready. This must be black. Also, this little part needs to be painted black. So is it the mic too close? Mic, I don't know. Okay, I think we are done. And it sounds really good. So there it is. I finished it. I hope you guys like it. And here is our melted Thomas. Alright, see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.